Welcome to our Web Builder How-To video series, Enhance Your Client's Experience with User Management. You can set each of your clients up with login details. First, you need to add this widget to your website's template. A login registration area has now been added to your website. Now go back to your control panel and click User Management. You can sign up each of your customers through the front end of your website, and once registered, their details will appear in User Management. If your client uses these to log into your website, next time they visit, they'll be able to order samples and quote inquiries very quickly, as their address details will be preloaded into any form on your website. A record of these will also be kept in your user management area on your control panel. Thank you for watching.